बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम मुनक़्क़द कर रहे हैं एक क्विज़ जो 9C और 9B के दरमियान मुनक़्क़द होगा। तो सबसे पहले सवाल 9B से होगा। अगर वो जवाब ना दे सके तो उस सवाल का जवाब आप लोग भी दे सकते हो। फ़िज़िक्स में ये क्विज़ है। पहले सवाल से आगाज़ करते हैं। ये सवाल 9B से है। 1 जूल इज़ इक्वल टू 1 न्यूटन, B 1 मीटर, C 1 न्यूटन मीटर, D 1 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर।
One Newton meter.
1 Newton meter is the right answer. Question 2 from 9th C. Force is A. Scalar quantity, B. Vector quantity, C. Both A and B, D. None. Force is a scalar quantity, vector quantity, both A and B, or none.
Force is a vector quantity.
Force is a vector quantity. That is the correct answer. Question 3, 9th B. Kinetic energy is A. Scalar quantity, B. Vector quantity, C. Both A and B, D. None.
Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity is the right answer. Question 4. Which of the following types of energy supplies Earth with all the energy required to sustain life? I repeat the question. Which of the following types of energy supplies Earth with all of the energy required to sustain life? Option A, chemical energy. Option B, sound energy. Option C, electric energy. Option D, radiant energy.
Radiant energy.
Radiant energy is the right answer. Question 5. Doing work against the force of gravity gives an object a special kind of energy called. Option A, gravitational kinetic. Option B, gravitational potential. Option C, both. Option D, none.
Gravitational potential energy.
Gravitational potential energy is the right option. Question 6. When energy is converted from one form to the other, the total amount, option A, decreases. Option B, increases. Option C, remains the same. Option D, both A and B.
Remains the same.
Remains the same is the correct answer. Question 7. To make water fall on turbine to produce electricity, dash is converted into dash. I repeat the question. To make water fall on turbine to produce electricity, dash is converted into dash. Option A, kinetic energy into potential energy. Option B, potential energy into kinetic energy. Option C, none of these. Option D, both A and B.
Potential to kinetic. Potential to kinetic. Potential to kinetic. Potential to kinetic.
Option B.
Option B is the correct option. Question 8. A car engine converts dash. I repeat the question. A car engine converts dash. Option A, kinetic energy into chemical potential energy. Option B, chemical potential energy into kinetic energy. Option C, electric energy into light. Option D, none of these. A. Kinetic energy into potential energy. B. Potential energy into kinetic energy. C. None. D. Both.
Potential energy is the kinetic energy.
Potential energy into kinetic energy is the right option. Question 9. Efficiency has no unit because A. It is the ratio of different quantities. B. It is the ratio of the same quantities. C. Both A and B. D. None of these.
Ratio between same quantities.
Option B. It is the ratio of the same quantities is the right option. Question 10. Work output is always dash work input. Option A, more than. Option B, less than. Option C, equal to. Or option D, both A and B. Work output is always dash work input. Option A, more than. Option B, less than. Option C, equal to. Or option D, both A and B.
वर्क आउटपुट मतलब लेस देन लेस देन से मतलब मुंग रेस वर्क आउटपुट मुंग रेस ना खार रुको और इनपुट से मुंग मतलब सोने एनर्जी तो रवा चला इनपुट को मतलब मुंग जे तो मुंग खार लग रहा है लेस देन.
Option B, less than, is the right answer. Question 11. Power is dash quantity. A. Scalar. B. Vector. C. Unknown. D. None.
Scalar quantity.
Option A. Scalar quantity is the correct option. Next question is from 9C. The SI unit of power is A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Newton meter square. The SI unit of power is A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Newton meter square.
Watt.
Option C. Watt is the correct option. Question 13. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. B. 1 joule per second square. C. 1 joule square per second. D. 1 joule square per second square.
Joule per second.
Option A. 1 joule per second is the right option. Question 14. 1 horsepower is equal to option A 46 watt, option B 546 watt, option C 746 watt, option D 846 watt.
746 watt.
Option C 746 watt is the correct option. Question 15. The annual world energy use is option A 4 into 10 raised to the power 10, option B 4 into 10 raised to the power 20, option C 4 into 10 raised to the power 25, option D 4 into 10 raised to the power 30. The annual world energy use is option A 4 into 10 raised to the power 10, 4 into 10 raised to the power 20, 4 into 10 raised to the power 25, or 4 into 10 raised to the power 30.
Option B.
Option B 4 into 10 raised to the power 20 is the correct option. Question 16. The food we eat stores option A light potential energy, option B elastic potential energy, option C chemical potential energy, option D electrical kinetic energy.
Question repeat.
The food we eat stores. Option A, light potential energy. Option B, elastic potential energy. Option C, chemical potential energy. Or D, electrical kinetic energy.
Chemical potential energy.
Option C, chemical potential energy, is the correct option. Question 17. Gravitational potential energy is the product of A, mass, gravitational acceleration and change in height. B, change in mass, gravitational acceleration and height. C, both A and B. D, none.
mg is mass, gravitational acceleration or change in height. Sir, options A.
A, mass, gravitational acceleration and change in height. B, change in mass, gravitational acceleration and height. Both A and B or none.
A. A देखा ना, change in height देखा ना, A. Option A.
Option A, mass, gravitational acceleration and change in height, is the correct answer. Question 18. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed is A, law of power. B, law of inertia. C, law of conservation of energy. D, law of motion.
Law of conservation of energy.
Option C, law of conservation of energy, is the correct option. Now it's the last question from 9th B. Which of the following is an eco-friendly source of energy? Repeat the question. Which of the following is an eco-friendly source of energy? A, atom. B, wind. C, sun. D, both B and C.
Both B and C. D. Option D.
Option D.
Option D, both B and C, is the correct option. Now last question from 9C. Dash has 55% of efficiency of energy. I'll repeat the question. Dash has 55% of efficiency of energy. A, fluorescent light. B, wind generator. C, automobile engine. D, electric generator.
Wind generator.
Option B, wind generator, is the correct option. अच्छा, आज का हमारा ये मुकाबला 9B और C के दरमियान बराबर रह गया, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ये बराबर है। इसके बाद हम आपकी क्लास में केमिस्ट्री के सब्जेक्ट में भी क्विज करेंगे, तो जहाँ पर भी एक क्लास जीत गई वो जीत जाएगी। सही है। अब तक आप दोनों क्लासेस के पॉइंट्स जो है वो 10-10 है, और जब सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में क्विज हो जाएगा तो जिस क्लास के सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स होंगे वही क्लास विनर डिक्लेयर होगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस। थैंक यू।